we in the last lecture we have discussed about the nature of radiation, and according to that, radiation is of wave nature. According to electromagnetic wave theory, radiation is having wave nature. We have already discussed this thing, but according to, there are some phenomena which cannot be described by only assuming the wave nature of radiations. If some like black body radiations, photoelectric effect, these phenomena cannot be described by assuming the wave nature of radiations. Fine. According to that, if we want to explain these phenomena, they say that radiation is of particle type of nature. It is not wave-like, it is particle-like. Right? So, first thing we should know before proceeding with this topic, suppose this is any body. When white light is interacting with any body, when white light is interacting with any body or any matter, in this, some of the rays get absorbed, some of the rays get reflected, and some of the rays get transmitted. When white light is interacting with any kind of body, so some of the rays get absorbed, some of the rays get reflected, and some of the rays get transmitted. Now, dear students, this reflected light is responsible for the color. Suppose you can see, this is the pink color shirt which I am wearing. Why it looks pink to you? Because this color you perceives the wavelength corresponding to pink color. So that the light which is reflected is producing the color of a particular substance. Fine, this is the general phenomena. Now, what do you mean by the black body radiation? First, we should know what is black body. Black body. The body which is perfect absorber of every type of energy. Whenever we heat the black body, it is a perfect absorber and perfect radiator. Fine? Perfect absorber as well as perfect radiator. So that body is your black body, which is perfect absorber and perfect emitter is your black body. Now, dear students, if I will heat any substance whose melting point is very high, if any with a high melting point, for example, an iron bar is heated, it first color will you observe when you heat the iron bar is, it becomes red. Fine? And you still heat that iron article, the color changes from red to yellow. After that, it begins to glow with white light and then finally with blue light. If we heat any iron bar, first it becomes red, then yellow, then with white light, and finally with blue light. You can see the change in color. So according to electromagnetic wave theory, which we have already discussed, the energy emitted or absorbed, that is continuously. If we assume that wave nature of a radiations, then it should give all the same type of colors. There will be no change in colors because the energy of any electromagnetic radiation is proportional to its intensity. So the radiation emitted by the body being heated should have the same color, although its intensity may vary. But this is not the case. Actually, we can see there is a lot of change in colors. Fine. When you heat the iron bar, there is a change in color. So at that point, electromagnetic wave theory is not hold true. If we assume that radiation is having wave-like character. So we should assume that radiations is having particle-like character also. This was given by Max Planck quantum theory. Max Planck's quantum theory. According to him, the light is made up of small packets of energy. Light is, according to Max, light is made up of very small packets of energy, and that packet of energy is known as quanta. Light is made up of very small packets of energy, and that packet of energy is called as quanta, which is plural, and quantum is singular. Fine. So in this, energy is not continuously but discontinuously released in the form of small packets of energy, and each such packet is called quantum. And energy of each quantum is directly proportional to its frequency, which is equals to E is equal to H nu. H is your Planck's constant. Find whose value is 6.6626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule sec. Find energy of each photon is directly proportional to its frequency. E is equal to H nu. H is your Planck's constant, whose value is 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joules second. Fine. Dear students, till now, is there any doubt? Please let me know. See, when some solid substance is heated, the atoms of the substance are also set into oscillation and emit radiation of frequency nu. Dear students, whenever we heat any solid substance, then its atom of that substance set into oscillation, they start vibrating and emit radiation of certain frequency. Now the heating is continued. More and more of amount of energy is being absorbed by the atoms, and they emit radiations of higher and higher frequency. That's why they produce different colors with different temperatures. Like red light has minimum frequency, then yellow has higher frequency, and blue has more frequency than the red one. That's why the change in color takes place, which is according to the particle nature of radiations. Fine. Electromagnetic wave theory says that radiation is of wave-like character. And Planck's quantum theory says that radiation is of particle-like character. And dear students, later on you will know that radiation is of dual nature. Some properties of radiations can be explained by assuming its wave-like character, and some properties of radiation can be explained by assuming its particle-like character. Suppose, according to Planck's quantum theory, conclusion I will say, these are the small packets of energy. Fine. Suppose I have given 500 joule of energies to this atom. So each circle represents one quanta whose energy is h into 500 joule. And if you assume it's wave-like character, then they are moving like waves according to wave-like character, electromagnetic wave theory. That's all about your black body radiation. Fine. Black body is that type of body which emit and absorbs all type of frequencies. Now, dear students,